Hey guys, so I finally got one of these Your Baby boxes that I didn't even think really existed. I thought it was just maybe some bull online, but it actually came. So let's get into it because I'm really curious to see what's inside this box. No fancy inside. I see papers, papers, papers. That's baby food, a play gym, mom cozy, more mom cozy, Dr. Knows, A2 formula, and oh, nice. There's a coupon on the back of this for pads. Carefree. So, okay, this is weird. There is a baby food, butternut, squash, and beet with salmon. I've never seen anything like that before. Interesting. Okay, there is, it looks like a full size sample of all natural hand cream. This is from Woolsey's. I don't know how well you can see that. I've never seen this before either. Pseudo cream. Looks like just a balm, like a diaper rash ointment. There is an easy cloth. It looks like there's maybe 2 samples in there just to clean. There is a little cute baby milestone cards, or what these are, from Close. There is the formula A2. It is platinum from the A2 Milk Company. Never heard of them. There are a whole pack of nose wipes from Dr. Knows Best. There is a full-size sample pack of Carefree liners. That's nice. There's a cute little baby bib. Doesn't really say this one where it's from. And last but not very least, there is a onesie. Born to be Brave. It looks like from The Lion King. Cute. And it is a 18 to 24 months. I knew it looked kind of big. It is. And that is it for the Baby Club box. So if you guys want to go on and order one of these, it was actually like 20 freaking dollars to get it shipped. Not sure I can say it was worth it, but definitely full size samples in there. See you guys with the next box. Bye.